of the nation and an inspirational man who not only got us freedom but also taught us many life lessons. Today on his birthday, I, Kashvi Sharma from class 3rd B is going to share some of his life lessons. Non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi always followed the path of non-violence and achieved what he wanted through peace. Simplicity. We don't need materialistic things to be happy. Mahatma Gandhi was a simple man. Simple living and high thinking was his mantra. Anything is possible. Mahatma Gandhi was a common man. He was very shy in his childhood. Yet he emerged as a great leader. The lesson you can learn is to believe in yourself. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Mahatma Gandhi's 3 monkeys teach us this lesson. Always speak the truth. Mahatma Gandhi's famous quote. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is truth. At the end, I would like to say that we must remember Mahatma Gandhi's teachings and beliefs. Thank you.
सच्चाई का लेकर शस्त्र और अहिंसा का ले अस्त्र, तुमने अपना देश बचाया, गोरों को था दूर भगाया, दुश्मन से भी प्यार किया, मानव पर उपकार किया, गांधी करते तुम्हें नमन, तुम्हें चढ़ाते प्रेम सुमन। हमारे प्रिय राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी को उनकी जयंती पर शत शत नमन।
Good morning everybody, myself Tracy. Today I am going to talk about teachings of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Live life to the fullest, always speak the truth. Let the change begin from you. Believe in love, think before you act, be positive. Learn to forgive, live to learn. Be true to yourself, care for Mother Earth. Watch your thoughts, thank you.
Good morning teacher, my name is Kanika. I study in class 3rd C. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him Bapu. He is the father of our nation. He studied in India and England. He became barrister and went to South Africa. He led the freedom movement. He loved the truth and ahimsa. Jai Hind. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello friends, I am Khyati from class 3rd B. Today I am speaking on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. He was known as Father of the Nation or Bapu. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putli Bai Gandhi. Gandhiji's wife was Kasturba Gandhi, also known as Ba. Thank you.
Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Akshita of class 3rd C of St. Anthony Senior Secondary School is going to speak about some valuable aspects on the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, rightly known as Father of the Nation, had faith in Satya, truth and non-violence, ahimsa. He believed that education is the basic necessity of everybody. He felt that education is the only medium that could build a strong nation. Education should be available to children in their mother tongue. He wanted a system for free and compulsory education. According to Mahatma Gandhi, education is essential to build a strong character. He felt that education would bring about all-round development in children, and it also plays a vital role in spreading social awareness. He also felt that education for children should be like water is to fish. Education is the only weapon which can bring about positive change across the globe. At last, Gandhiji says that education is the best gift a man can give to another. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Jalmeri Bina. Today I will talk about teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi has so many famous lines, but my favorite line is, where there is love, there is life. Some of the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi are: first, live your life to fullest. Second, be the change. Third, be positive. Fourth, believe in love. Fifth, think before you speak. Sixth, always say truth. Seventh, learn to forgive. Eighth, care for earth. You shall practice this teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
आज मैं आप सबको राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था। उन्हें बापू के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। उनके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी था, जो पोरबंदर में कठियावाड़ रियासत के दीवान थे। उनकी माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। महात्मा गांधी की शुरुआती पढ़ाई लिखाई स्थानीय स्कूलों में हुई थी। गांधी जी वकालत की पढ़ाई करने के लिए विदेश गए थे। 1883 में कस्तूरबा माखनजी से उनकी शादी कर दी गई थी। शादी के बाद 1888 में गांधी जी वकालत की पढ़ाई पूरी करने के लिए ब्रिटेन गए। जून 1891 में वो पूरी वकालत की पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद वापस अपने देश आ गए।
Today I am going to tell you 5 teachings about Mahatma Gandhi. The first one is, you will get peace from inside, not from outside. The second one is, sorry is a sign of strong people. The third one is, if you want change yourself first. The fourth one is, never give up and keep trying. The last one means the fifth one is, way to goal is beautiful like gold. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone. I, Deepika Singh from class 3A will speak few lines on Gandhiji Hindi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was a brave freedom fighter. He followed ahimsa to abolish the British. He had led anti-British movement called the Dandi March. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Krishna Kaushik from class 6. Today I am going to tell you about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is father of the nation. He was great freedom fighter.
He was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, also called him Bapu. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Puthlibai Gandhi. His mother tongue was Gujarati. He studied law in London. Mahatma Gandhi played an active role giving India independence from Britishness. Nathuram Godse shoot Mahatma Gandhi on 30th January 1948. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashi and I am in class 3rd A. Today I will tell you about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, who is called as father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He went to England to study law. He came back to India and fought against British law. He taught the world non-violence. He died on 30th January 1948, but he always remained alive in our heart. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. I am Avishi Sharma from class 3rd C. Today, I will share you about Mahatma Gandhi's educational philosophy. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. He attended his early education from Ahmedabad. He was a dedicated student. He went to South Africa to pursue law from University College London Faculty of Law and realized the importance of education in life. He realized that education is the basic necessity for everybody. He felt that education is the only medium that could build a strong nation. Thank you.
Embodiment of Ahimsa, father of our nation, and above all, the man of great virtues, Mahatma Gandhi. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning. On the auspicious occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhiji's experiment with truth that paved the way for India's independence. He taught us that nothing is impossible if we are determined to achieve it. That is how a small man in dhoti defeated the mighty Britishers with his sheer will. Today, let us take a pledge that we will never let his sacrifice go in vain. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sadaya Ashley Lam. I'm class 3. My topic is teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi inspired the world with his faith in truth and justice for all mankind. He was a great soul who even loved those who fought against his ideals to bring about peace with non-violence. Gandhiji taught us that we could bring harmony in our world by becoming champions of love and peace for all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aradhya Punj. I study in class 3rd C. Today I am going to speak about teaching of Gandhiji. First, always speak truth. Second, be positive. Third, believe in love. Fourth, learn to forgive. Fifth, be care for Mother Earth. Sixth, think before you act. 7. Live to learn. 8. Be true to yourself. 9. Let change begin from you. 10. Live life to the fullest. Thank you everyone.
आज मैं विद्यानी सिंह कक्षा 3वीं वर्ग की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं कुछ वक्तव्य बोलने जा रही हूँ। इसका शीर्षक है गांधी जी की शिक्षाएं। पहला, सदैव खुश रहिए। दूसरा, समय ही धन है। तीसरा, चरित्र साफ रखिए। चौथा, सीखने की उम्र नहीं। धन्यवाद।
Morning to all.
My name is Amaya Susan Reggie. Today I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. We also call him Bapuji. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter. His father's name is Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name is Putlibai. At the age of 15, he get married Kasturi Babai. He was a very truthful and honest person. He was killed by Nathan Godse on 30th January 1948. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Bhanani. I am from class 3. Today I am going to tell you about the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. Number 1. Always speak truth. Number 2. Believe in love. Number 3. Think before you act. Number 4. Live to learn. Number 5. Be positive. Number 6. Let the change begin from you. Number 7. Learn to forgive. Number 8. Be true in yourself. Number 9. Care for Mother Earth. Number 10. Live life the fullest. Thank you.